Team management is critical for the successful delivery of projects, which can range from software development to construction, and from marketing campaigns to event planning. It requires a set of skills and tools to manage the life cycle and ensure that objectives are met efficiently and effectively. The most important part of team management is the leadership. A good management will lower the stress in your team. We are going to explain this with Maslow's hierarchy. We have divided this video into 3 parts: leadership, management tools, and management tips. How to lower the stress level of your team is the main question of this video. In transactional and transformational leadership plays 3 hormones an important role: oxytocin, testosterone, and cortisol. Transformational leadership is a more personal leading style compared with transactional leadership. The transformational leader always cares for his fellows and keeps a good interpersonal relationship, while the transactional leader focuses more on the rules, which makes a clear reward and punishment system. For a more stress-free workplace, we need a transformational leadership. By transformational leadership, oxytocin level is high, then it releases oxytocin-releasing peptide, OXTRP, which stimulate hypothalamus to release more luteinizing hormone-releasing hormone, LHRH, that is a hormone which can increase LH level. The increasing of LHRH will help pituitary to release more LH, then the testicles stimulate to produce testosterone as a result. By transactional leadership, testosterone level is low, then gonadotropin-releasing hormone, GnRH, is released by the hypothalamus, which stimulates the pituitary gland to release follicle-stimulating hormone, FSH, and luteinizing hormone, LH. These later 2 hormones stimulate the testicle to synthesize testosterone. Finally, increasing testosterone level through a negative feedback loop which act on the hypothalamus and pituitary to inhibit the release of GnRH and FSH/LH respectively. By looking at Maslow's hierarchy, we see that higher levels of oxytocin can facilitate learning and produce positive feelings to a person. Therefore, the person will accept the facts and will think of the solution. This team will think on a positive side. With a calm mind, the leader will judge the decisions and problems without prejudices. Therefore, they will control their emotional bias well due to the high oxytocin level. By project management, some tools are involved to make it easy to manage. Hence, lower stress in the team. A Gantt chart is a horizontal bar chart used in project management to visualize a project plan over time. It's an effective tool for showing the timeline and status of each task within a project. Taiga is a free and open-source agile project management software designed for cross-functional agile teams to work effectively. It's a feature-rich platform that offers a very simple start through its user interface. By better understanding how a project works, we can also lower the stress level of your team. Time is a source of inspiration and creativity. Time can be represented or explored in different forms of values, such as stories, songs, movies, etc. Quality is a measure how a product is functioning, and the scope of your solution. Money is a medium of exchange that can be used to buy goods and services. It can also be a measure of value and a store of wealth. By a software project, it is better to have a software design document before you start a project. DevOps is a philosophy that integrates development and operations teams to improve collaboration and productivity. Its key principles focus on building a culture of shared responsibility and automating processes to deliver software quickly and reliably. A new way to develop a software is the spec-driven development. It uses AI to improve your productivity. More tips over management. Focus on goals doesn't make progress in your project. But if you focus on your system, then you'll get a better chance to achieve your goal. A system is your resource and habits that you own. A goal is an event, but for a better chance of success you need to focus on your system. Your goal has requirements, but the requirements are fulfilled with your system. To achieve your goal you need to self-exploring your own system, and ask the how questions. Focusing on the problem first, rather than a solution, is crucial for building something that truly addresses a need. And emphasize on delivery speed is a way to make your solution more valuable than others. We have emphasized to focus on problem rather than a solution, and the time is crucial for making a solution valuable. Focusing on building effective systems is often more reliable for long-term success because they foster habit formation, enable process improvement, and reduce reliance on willpower. Quality, time, and money are often referred to as the triple constraint or the project management triangle. They are interdependent, meaning that a change in one component often affects the others. A good leader will lower the stress level of your team.